In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove TikTok watermark in CapCut. Removing the watermark lets you customize or re-edit a video so it fits your branding or aesthetic without extra overlays. Quick reminder before we start, only download and edit videos you own or have permission to use. Begin by opening the TikTok app and choosing the video you want to work with. Tap the share button and select save video. This saves the clip to your device. By default, TikTok adds a moving watermark that shifts around the screen, and there's often a branded tag at the very end. Now open the CapCut app. Tap New Project, find the video you just saved in your gallery, and tap Add. Here's an important note. CapCut can't erase the moving watermark that appears throughout the video because it's baked into the file. However, you can cleanly remove the watermark that appears at the end. Scrub to the end of the timeline and look for the final portion that displays the watermark. Tap the clip, use split right before that watermark segment, then select the end piece and tap delete. Play it back to make sure the video now ends cleanly without the watermark. If you need precision, pinch to zoom in on the timeline so your split is frame accurate. If you want a version without the watermark in the middle of the video, you'll need to download it from TikTok using the video link. Go back to the TikTok app, open the same video, tap share, and choose copy link. Then open your mobile browser and search for a site called SnapTech app. Open the site, paste the link into the field provided, and tap download. When prompted, confirm the download. Once it's finished, check your downloads or gallery to verify the clip. You shouldn't see a TikTok watermark at the top, the bottom, or moving around the screen. That version is ready for editing, and you can bring it into CapCut just like before by creating a new project and adding the file. That's the full process. Use CapCut to trim off the end watermark on saved videos, and if you need a completely clean clip, use the link-based download method in your browser. Always preview your final timeline to ensure cuts are smooth and there are no leftover frames with branding. Congratulations, now you know how to remove the TikTok watermark in CapCut and keep your edits looking clean and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials.